Application of simple present tense and present continuous tense. Hi, I am Rani. I am a girl. I am 6 years old. I read in class 1. Today I will tell you about my family. There are 10 members in our family. I am going to show you what each of them are doing now. Meet my brother Ron. He is 4 years old. He is the youngest member of our family. He is doing something. Let me ask him. Hello, brother Ron. What are you doing? I am playing with my toy car. This is our study room. The girl is my cousin Bunny. The boy is my cousin Don. They are studying. Hello, brother Don. What are you doing? I am reading a book. Hello, sister Bunny. What are you doing? I am doing my homework. This is our kitchen. My mother is a homemaker. She is cooking in the kitchen. My father is an engineer. He is cleaning his car. My grandmother is not feeling well. She is sleeping. My grandfather is sitting in the living room. He is watching TV. My aunt is a teacher. She is teaching her students. My uncle is a businessman. He is sitting in the dining room. He is having tea. We are a very happy family. I love my family.